Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your TV and account so you can upload and stream. Use a smart TV or a streaming device with HDMI and Wi-Fi capability. Ensure the TV runs the YouTube app or supports casting from another device. Sign in using a Google account and enable two-step verification for better security. Check your home internet speed with a speed test app. Aim for at least 5 Mbps for 720p or 10 Mbps for 1080p streaming quality. Keep your remote and smartphone nearby for easier setup. Next, install and sign into the YouTube app on your TV so you can access your channel. Open the YouTube app and choose Sign In or Activate from the left menu. The TV will display an activation code and a 6-digit code on screen to link your account. Visit YouTube.com/activate on a phone or computer and enter the code to complete sign-in. After linking, open the YouTube Studio mobile app to manage uploads and metadata from your phone. Use your phone to navigate faster than the TV remote when needed. Finally, learn how to upload, optimize, and grow your channel directly from the TV ecosystem. Prepare video files on a phone or computer and use the YouTube Studio app to upload with a 16:9 thumbnail at 1280 by 720 pixels. Write a clear title, include keywords in the description, and add relevant tags for discoverability. Post consistently, aiming for 1 or 2 videos per week to build momentum and audience trust. Pay attention to copyright, enable closed captions, and monitor analytics to refine your content strategy. Apply for monetization after reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.